yung Cebu.
Pabulhuta dong.
Dayon dong. Dadara na yung muno, kayaw kaula.
Cebuanos love films, but did you know that we love to create films as well? These films are annually celebrated in the Binisaya Film Festival.
Binisaya Film Festival is basically a celebration of all Cebuano local films, which I know most of Cebuanos here don't really have access to, but Binisaya Film Festival makes it possible. There are a lot of filmmakers in Cebu, and the problem with that is we don't have any kind of avenue to actually showcase our local work, and that is the purpose of why it's existing right now.
Binisaya was started by director Keith Delihero in 2009 as a simple screening of several films, and has evolved into a full-on film festival in 2011 through funding from supporters and friends.
Throughout the years pod kay nagka-expand pod iyang lineup of films sa festival. Aside from the local films, we have films now from around Asia. We have films also from other regional places here in the Philippines.
The organizers of the festival changes yearly, and each year offers a different experience.
The thing that made it different is basically we were trying to showcase every form of art. So the local subculture is welcome. We had a lot of screenings, a lot of wrecking in our rage room. We also had concessionaires, food, and merch.
It's not just about film screenings. There's also films, there's also music, there's food, there's promotion of local subculture. Sa katong mga hilig og films, ganahan mo buhat og films, ganahan mo tanaw og films, ganahan mo criticize og films, ganahan mag-tripping og mga films. I encourage you all na mo suporta sa Cebuano cinema, mo support og kanang mo padayon ta og kanang buhat og mga salidang Binisaya kay this is not just for ourselves, this is for us to kanang makatabang pod siya na maka-contribute ta og identify sa atong kaugalingon as Cebuanos, and at the same time maka-contribute ta sa ato ang culture diri sa Cebu.
With Binisaya Film Festival, you not only have fun with films, you also support the local film and art scene. For MyTV Cebu, this has been Raya de Guzman.